Up next, let's talk about smartphone apps. So what is an app? Apps are programs that are designed to run on your device. Both Android and Apple operating systems offer many free smartphone apps or paid apps. These apps allow your phone to perform many different functions, like making phone calls or playing games. Some preloaded apps will already be installed on your phone when you first purchase it. These include some of the most basic apps, like the one to make a phone call or access email from your smartphone. The pre-installed apps will just appear on your phone as icons like these. If you don't see an app that you want on your phone, or you're curious about what other apps you can install, you can either go to the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for Apple devices. These stores enable you to search for different types of apps to download and install them. When you have found an app that you would like to add to your smartphone, the next step is to install it. For your Android phone, you would go to the Google Play Store. When you search for an app, you will see an install button if it's a free app and a price if it's one you have to pay for. To install the free app, you would just click on the install button and the download will begin. For the paid app, you would click on the button that lists the price and enter in a form of payment to pay for that app. After payment, it will start installing on your phone. For your iPhone, you would go into the App Store to search for an app. When you find the app you want, you click on either the Get button for free apps or the Price button for paid apps. To install the free app, you just have to click on the Get button. For paid apps, you would click on the button that lists the price, and you will have to enter in a form of payment to pay for that app. After payment, it will start installing on your phone. Be aware that if you have previously set up a payment method on your phone, you may be automatically charged if you click on the Price button, and the app will then begin to install.